Hello, hello, hello. Come on in, come on in, come on in. Jump right to it because I got to get ready for my challenge in 15 minutes. So I'm just going to put it on out there. So today is day 5 of 30 lives challenge with my TSP Mastermind fam. I am Tracy L. Tate. I am the CEO of TLJ Professional Services, where we are about all things financial. I bring to you almost 40 years experience in education in bookkeeping, accounting, as well as tax preparation. And I have a master's in business and accounting as well as public administration. Today, my topic is going to be about commingling your business and personal funds. It's a no-no. Okay. So, right off the bat, if you commingle your funds, it's very difficult a year later at tax time to say this was business, this was pleasure, this was for this. It's hard to tell what the transactions are for. So bookkeeping is vital in your business, but so is a business bank account. Okay. Do not commingle your funds. Okay. Not just in case of an audit, but for tax prep as well. So if you're someone that does not use like an accounting system that can run a P&L for tax time and a balance sheet, then commingling funds in your business bank account, if you have a business bank account, or even if you're going through your personal account, is a nightmare for tax preparers. Okay. Because when we try to help you, we can't tell what's what, right? The thing about it is, what is deductible for you, depending on your business, may not be deductible for somebody else, right? Because of their business. So being able to say every single transaction in this list came from my business bank account and it's all business, then you know it's an expense that can be written off. Okay. It's an item that should be included on your tax return. Okay. When you're pulling data or the information from your personal account, it's hard to tell what's what, especially when it comes to common things like meals, right? So, as a guide, we use a certain dollar amount. If it's over a certain dollar amount, it looked like you had more than one person in the meal, right? So depending on what it is, how much it costs, it could have been a business meeting, it could have been a one-to-one meeting. I've actually had business owners that have meetings at Starbucks where they don't get coffee, but they get the client the coffee, right? So even though it looks like it's a personal purchase, it's not. Okay. So putting it in a business bank account like draws the line in the sand that this is truly a business expense. Now, in an audit, if you are not separating the two, meaning that you're buying personal things in the business account or that you're buying business things through your personal account, they can disqualify those expenses unless you have a receipt and can prove that it was actually used in business. Okay. So just get in the habit of, and if you haven't done so, you could get a bank account. You can get online banking now, business banking. You could go to the major banks, and you can open an account for $25, to not have the monthly fee. You may have to maintain a certain balance, things like that. But it is beneficial and in your best interest to not commingle your funds, have a business account. Because even when you're talking about going to a lender, they want to know you have a business bank account. That's one of the first questions they have. Do you have a business checking or savings account? Right. So it plays a bigger role than just in case of audit. Um, it plays multiple roles from a tax perspective, from an audit perspective, from a deduction perspective, from a analyzing your numbers perspective, right? So something that I've been teaching about in our challenge, which day 2 of our challenge is tonight. If you have not already signed up, tonight would be the last night for you to join us. Doesn't make sense for you to join on day 3 because you will miss, unless you do the VIP upgrade, then you could get the replays. But other than that, you will not. Business Finances Mastery com, and there is an S on finances. Um, so join the challenge, and you'll learn about these things, because it's more to just having a bank account, right? You want to analyze your numbers. You want to analyze. So that's where accounting software come in as well. I always say you can't operate your business from a bank account. It's cash basis, nonetheless, but you can't analyze 100% through your bank account. Okay. You can't do projections and stuff like that easily um, through just a bank account. Having an accounting software to kind of do the work for you, to go back and compare prior periods. You could project forward periods, things like that. So, as a business owner, make your life easier, right? Work smarter, not harder. Um, and make sure that you do not commingle your funds, period. If you need to pay yourself or pull money out the business, do it as a draw, depending on your business structure, right? Because S Corp is the only entity that allows you to really pay yourself through the business as a shareholder. So, depending on your business structure, you're either going to do a draw, okay, where you take the money out of the business account and then put it into your personal account, buy whatever you need from your personal account if it's for personal. Okay. The same thing for the other way around. If it's you're buying something, or the money is in your personal and you need to buy something for the business, move the money to the business and buy it from the business. That's one way to keep those expenses separate. You may have to fund it right through your personal account, like if you're still a W-2 employee and things like that. You may have to fund it, but it still should go through your business account. All transactions as it pertains to business should go through your business account. All transactions as it pertains to your personal should go through your personal account. Okay. I'm doing this live. It's short. It's just, don't commingle your funds. Okay. Get a business account if you're a business owner. Okay. Whether you're a sole prop, I don't care what your business structure is. If you're operating a business, you should open a business bank account. Okay. It will help in audit. It will help in lending. It will help and your deductions at tax time, all of that good stuff is easy, especially if you don't have an accounting software, to just download the activity from your business bank account, categorize it, and recreate a P&L in essence. Okay. So this has been my Tax Tip Tuesday. And actually, it's not Tuesday. It ain't even it's a tax tip, but it ain't Tuesday. This is my day 5 of 30 live challenge. Everything is going to be about tax tips. Okay. Tuesday is definitely tax tips. Everything is going to be about finances, period. We got 25 more lives of some finance information that can help you in your business and or personal. So until then, or until tomorrow, I should say, you have a fabulous rest of the week. And this has been Tracy L. Tate, CEO of TLJ Professional Services. We are about all things financial. Join us for the challenge. If you're seeing this, today is Wednesday, December 13th. Join the challenge. It's not too late to get yesterday's. You have to do the VIP upsell to get the replay, okay? Because yesterday was a valuable day of information about bookkeeping, about mindset. Today we will be covering accounting and KPIs or metrics. So this 3-day challenge, you need to be in the room if you're a business owner, okay? I don't care if you 2 figures or 6 figures, okay? Get it done. So see you in the room. Be blessed and have a fabulous week. Bye.